I wish I could do disco tonight. Oh my goodness. Oh, I really like it. Oh my god. Mm, mm. But yeah, I cannot go disco because we don't have it here. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I think like I got only 2 viewers here, so yep. Uh, now I got 3. If that will be on the number 5, then I will not have to end this live. Yeah, but anyway, oh, 4 now. We are 4. Oh my god. Oh, now it drops to number 2. Oh, now it's number 5. So yeah, hi my new viewers. My name is Mary Rose. Welcome to my live stream. So yeah, what are the things that I have to do in order to please you today? Hello, Holly Bowley. Thank you for being here in my live stream today. Come join with me, baby. Like what? Oh, I got 6 now. Whoa, thank you. Holy Bowley, mm, are you subscribing my channel? From where are you, Holy Bowley? From where are you? Thank you, Holy Bowley. Ah, you're from India. Alright, so I really need to end this live stream because, yeah, I've seen something again. Or maybe that's it. Yeah, because it's been so hot. Thank you. What time is it now? Oh, 10:30. That's nice. That's nice. You're from India. Yeah, okay. I have to